We are planting a native polyculture in this area.
Polyculture is different from a monoculture, means one plant. Polyculture means many plants.
A small strip of land outside of UTA's newest college, Kappa, the College of Architecture, Planning, and Public Affairs, has become a trial garden for landscape architecture associate professor David Hopman and his students.
About the last year and a half, I've been working on this idea called aesthetically qualified native urban polycultures. And the idea is that you have a grouping of plants, native plants, real native plants, plants native to North Texas.
Because these are native plants that would naturally grow here, they are hardy enough to survive our climate. Hopman groups them into polycultures based on many different attributes. For example, plants that look good together, grow together, and recombine in unpredictable ways.
There's a lot of things to think about. I actually have over 50 different characteristics of each plant that I've been researching. And I've got about 110 plants qualified so far that I put into these various polycultures.
About 30 of Hopman's polycultures will be planted and tested in locations across North Texas. Hopman and his students will closely monitor this campus site, measuring how the plants grow and how the soil changes. The eventual goal is to provide professional landscape architects and casual gardeners groupings of native plants that will thrive everywhere, from commercial landscapes to residential gardens. This work is proof of UTA's commitment to developing sustainable urban communities.
The important thing to take from something like this is that native plants don't have to be scary.
What we hope to end up with is a palette of these polycultures that can then be used for landscapes around the Metroplex or in North Texas. And the methodology to arrive at the polycultures could be used to develop polycultures everywhere.